If you want to take a screenshot on Xiaomi 15 Ultra without using any of the buttons, then you can easily do that. And you actually have two main ways to do so. The first one is by using a gesture. With 3 fingers, you can just swipe down like this on the screen in order to perform the full screenshot, or you can press and hold your 3 fingers on the screen in order to select the area that you want to capture. So this is the partial or selective screenshot, and of course we can save it like that as well. Then there's also the control center, which is also one of the ways to capture a screenshot without using the physical buttons. You can go to the control center and look for this button with scissors, and you should be able to tap on it. Then the control center will hide itself and you will capture the full screen screenshot. Now, if the gestures are not working, you can check if they are enabled by going to settings and then scroll all the way down, choose additional settings, go to gesture shortcuts, and then go to take a screenshot. And over here we have slide 3 fingers down. And also if you choose partial screenshot, then we have press and hold with 3 fingers. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!